Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Indomie is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Calm narrator explaining how the dough is balanced for perfect noodle texture.
The hydration is slightly low on line 3.
Increasing the flow, we are back within optimal parameters now.
And the timing sequence is holding steady.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Indomie is made, from start to finish.